Hello mates, today let's check some CSGO funny moments. If you're ready, let's jump in. Okay.
But once you take him into the top 16, Heroic have absolutely trounced them today. Oh. Whoa, both players walk past each other. Could have been a knife kill to close it. Look at this. He just, whoa, not even on the map, nothing. Dude, what if James decides to save this round?
Nice knife. What the fuck is that? This can't be real. What the fuck is that? Okay, he can't see anything. What the fuck? What the fuck? It is real? Did you think about that? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? It is real? I can't see. This can't be real. What the fuck? What the fuck is that? Look at that lag. I totally don't understand. Look at that lag. Look at that lag.
Oh, that was a snap.
Are you sure?
That is a clip.
The help. The game helped him. What the fuck? Perfect timing. Perfect timing. Look at that lag. Okay, I can't see anything.
Apply collateral, oh my god!
Nice gun. What the fuck, random gun?
What is that?
What was that? Are you sure that? Can't be real. What?
Bro, you wanna see something insane? I'll show you.
He is superhero. Maybe. Okay, okay. CSGO finish it. This is very crazy moment. This is very crazy moment. What the fuck is that? Very huge moment. Oh my god. This is very old huge moment. Okay, 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 no way, no way, no way. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. What was plan? What was the plan, man? Okay. Oh my god. Very tense, man. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay, let's do it.
What the fuck?
Pure luck. Pure luck. Hello, it's me. Okay, okay. What the fuck is that? Did this happen? Did this happen? What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Very clever. Very clever. Bye bye. Very epic moment. Very epic moment. Bye bye. Agents.
Nice. One cut.
fuck is that?
Bro,
What
the
was
fuck you
what
are
was
the best,
Voodoo?
bro. How the fuck you just kill
Did
someone
you
with a
happen?
smoke grenade?
Did it happen? Really? Right. I am done. I can't. Okay, bye bye. What was the plan? What was the plan?
He's gotta go now, he's gotta go now, he will.
Okay, okay. This can't be real. This can't be real. Impossible. Impossible moment. I swear, impossible moment. Okay. I am done. This game hates him. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? This moment is our best ever. Our best moment in CS2. This is very huge moment.
Ебать, что я дал нахуй? Репорт нахуй.
Okay. 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 What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that?
Ебать.
It is unreal. It is unreal. Totally unreal. But real funny and epic. Okay. What the fuck is that?